The long-anticipated DJI Avata 360 has finally moved from rumor to reality, marking a major milestone in the evolution of FPV drones and immersive aerial cinematography. And its confirmation has sent a wave of excitement through the drone industry, FPV pilot community, and professional content creators who have been waiting for a true hybrid solution that merges high-speed first-person flight with full 360-degree capture. Because after months of leaks, insider reports, speculative renders, and regulatory uncertainty, DJI has officially cleared the path for the Avata 360 to launch in the United States, securing FCC certification in late 2025 just in time to bypass looming restrictions that could have blocked new Chinese drones from entering the market. A move that not only underscores DJI's strategic urgency, but also highlights how significant this product is within their lineup, as the Avata 360 is not positioned as a simple refresh or minor upgrade to existing FPV platforms, but rather as a ground-up rethinking of what a modern 360 degrees FPV drone can achieve in terms of image quality, flight performance, creative flexibility, and professional usability, blending the adrenaline of agile FPV flight with the storytelling power of immersive spherical video in a way that no previous DJI drone has attempted. Unlike traditional FPV drones that rely on a single forward-facing camera, the Avata 360 integrates a sophisticated rotating camera module featuring upward and downward-facing lenses capable of capturing complete 360-degree spherical footage. And what truly sets this system apart is its ability to mechanically rotate by 90 degrees, allowing one lens to operate independently for conventional flat video capture, effectively transforming the drone from a dedicated 360 camera platform into a high-performance cinematic FPV drone at the flick of a setting. A design choice that gives creators unmatched versatility compared to competing 360 drones that are locked into spherical capture only. And early leaked images suggest a compact, aerodynamic body paired with DJI's familiar RC controller that displays live video, reinforcing the idea that this drone is meant to seamlessly switch between immersive and traditional shooting modes without compromising usability. At the heart of the Avata 360's imaging system are dual 1.1-inch sensors, significantly larger than what is typically found in FPV drones, borrowing imaging technology from DJI's action camera ecosystem and engineered specifically to improve dynamic range, color depth, and low light performance, which has historically been one of the biggest weaknesses of 360-degree aerial footage. And these larger sensors open the door for professional-grade use cases such as cinematic travel films, virtual tours, real estate showcases, commercial projects, and high-end social media content where footage often needs to be reframed in post-production without sacrificing sharpness or clarity. The drone is expected to record up to 8K spherical video at 50 frames per second, a specification that may sound excessive on paper, but is actually critical for 360-degree workflows because reframing spherical footage into standard aspect ratios inevitably reduces resolution, and starting with 8K ensures that creators can still deliver crisp 4K output after cropping, stabilization, and reframing. While for pilots who prioritize speed and action, the single-lens FPV mode reportedly supports 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, making it ideal for dramatic slow-motion sequences, fast proximity flying, urban exploration, mountain dives, action sports tracking, and dynamic cinematic shots where motion clarity is essential. Endurance has also received a substantial upgrade, as the Avata 360 is rumored to use a high-capacity battery in the 38 to 40 watt-hour range, roughly 25 to 30% larger than the battery found in previous Avata models, and when combined with more efficient motors, optimized power management, and a refined aerodynamic profile, this results in estimated flight times of 25 to 28 minutes, which is a massive leap forward in the FPV world where 10 to 15 minutes is often considered normal, giving pilots more freedom to plan complex flight paths, repeat takes, and experiment with creative angles without constantly worrying about landing early. The physical design of the drone has been carefully engineered to support true 360-degree capture, featuring a slim central body and a newly developed spherical propeller guard system that minimizes visual obstruction above and below the camera lenses, constructed from lightweight carbon fiber and TPU materials rather than bulky plastic, providing protection while keeping overall weight between approximately 377 and 385 grams. And this guard system is designed to be digitally removed during post-processing, ensuring clean, professional-looking footage without distracting elements, while still offering a safety net during close proximity flights and indoor maneuvers. Safety and confidence are further enhanced by a significantly upgraded obstacle detection system, with reports pointing to an advanced LiDAR-assisted vision array that includes multiple forward-facing and side-facing sensors, delivering near omnidirectional awareness capable of detecting small obstacles like branches, cables, and structural details, which is particularly valuable for complex 360-degree shots flown through forests, urban environments, abandoned buildings, or tight interior spaces, allowing both experienced pilots and ambitious newcomers to focus more on creative execution rather than constant collision avoidance. For immersive flight and real-time control, the Avata 360 supports DJI's latest digital transmission technology, delivering a smooth 1080p live feed at up to 120 frames per second with ultra-low latency, along with an advertised maximum transmission range of up to 20 kilometers under ideal conditions, and full compatibility with DJI goggles N3, RC Motion 3, and standard RC controllers ensures that pilots can choose between intuitive motion-based control or traditional stick flying depending on their skill level and shooting style, making the platform accessible to a broad audience while still offering the precision demanded by professional FPV pilots. Taken together, the dual large sensors, rotating camera system, high-resolution 8K spherical capture, high frame rate FPV mode, extended flight time, lightweight yet durable frame, advanced obstacle avoidance, and reliable low-latency transmission combine to position the DJI Avata 360 as a truly next-generation drone that bridges the gap between immersive 360 storytelling and aggressive cinematic FPV performance, offering creators unprecedented freedom to capture every angle, every movement, and every moment in a single flight. And as its official release approaches following regulatory approval, the Avata 360 is widely expected to set a new benchmark for FPV drones, redefine expectations for aerial content creation, and become a must-have tool for filmmakers, YouTubers, travel creators, and drone enthusiasts looking to push the boundaries of what is possible in modern drone cinematography.